Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is keeping fine and safe. Yes. So as you know, I am giving you out various job notifications. In this video also, I will give you some important job notifications that is definitely of your benefit, and I'm sure if you apply for this or if you're interested for this, definitely you will be getting the job. So I know in this market it's very difficult to get a job. So in this notification, I'll talk about CG Police SI Recruitment 2021, that is Bharti form. You can apply online for Police SI Recruitment 2021, and everything regarding the examination will be recruitment will be discussed here. The Chhattisgarh Police Department has announced the notification for 975 posts of Subedar, platoon commander, sub-inspector, and sub-inspector Bharti vacancies. Applications can be downloaded from their official website. In this video, you will find the detailed information about this recruitment drive. So CG Police SI Recruitment 2021. Talking about this. Yes, I know many of you are interested for this. So there is an opening for the position of sub-inspector on a contract basis in the CG Police Subedar's department. It is mentioned in Chhattisgarh Police Sub-Inspector Recruitment 2021 that the details of the post and vacancies are described in the official website. To recruit eligible and desirous candidates for the post of sub-inspector, for the post of platoon commander, and other vacancies in the Chhattisgarh Police Department, applications are invited from the eligible candidates and the interested participants. The department has released a notice with an invitation to apply for the position that is listed in the notification in the State Police Department so that 975 vacancies can be easily filled. The candidates are encouraged to make their applications online between 1st of October and 31st of October 2021. CG Police SI Vacancy 2021. Talking about the educational qualifications, there are many vacancies for CG Police SI and other positions available, but candidates must possess a graduation degree to be considered. To find out about the details of the educational requirements for various posts in the CG Police Recruitment 2021, candidates should refer to the details advertisement that is given out in their official website or in their notification. Next, talking about physical details. Applicants need to be at least 168 centimeter tall for applicants and 153 for female applicants as stated in the official recruitment notification. Candidates should put their chest at 81 centimeter if they expand it and 86 centimeter if they do not expand it. Only women are allowed to take this test. Male candidates do not need to comply with this physical qualification. Next, coming to the age limit. The age limit as on 1/1/2021. On 1st of January 2021, the applicants must be at least 24 years old and 34 years as they are accepted for the position. Restrictions should apply to those employed in reserved categories since they will be given a 5-year deal. There will also be an age relaxation based on the government regulations and procedures, but no hesitation. CG Police SI application fees, talking about this. For Police SI recruitment in CG, candidates in a general category have to make a payment of rupees 400. For candidates from a reserved category, the application fee is rupees 200. Online and offline payment both are accepted. CG Police SI or platoon commander selection methods, talking about this. Firstly, measures of physical properties will be taken. Next, preliminary written examination will be conducted. After the prelims are over, the main written examination will be done. Next, verification of documents and physical efficiency will be tested. I'll discuss about the important dates. Applications will be accepted on the beginning of January 10, 2021. There is a deadline on 31st 10, 2021 for submission of online applications. Payment of the application fee is due by 31st 10, 2021. The last date to make the payment of CG Police SI Recruitment 2021. Now coming to how to apply. You can apply online. CG official police department's official website can be accessed through the official notification. You can click on the notification board tab on the home page, followed by recruitment on the following page. After this, please find the link for the recruitment of police SIs, platoon commanders, and other posts in 2021. Click on the link to apply online to download the notification. After you have done this, the application fee must be paid in full before the application can be processed. That is as per your categories. After this is done, complete the application form and submit it. The application form should be printed out and you should retain a copy of the printout for your personal record or for future reference. The application fee, the financial requirements for applications or applicants belonging to the general or OBC categories, as I told you above, are rupees 400, while for candidates who are belonging to the scheduled caste or scheduled tribe categories are rupees 200. Next, talking about the CG Police SI selection process. As part of the selection process, candidates will be evaluated on their performance in physical measurement, the preliminary written examination, the main written examination, the PET, and the interview. It is recommended that applicants read the entire eligibility requirements and other requirements carefully before you are applying or before submitting their applications. CG Police SI notification for 2021. It is tentative. The post number of posts are tentative, that is 975. Sub-inspector vacancies are going to be filled by the Chhattisgarh Police Recruitment Board. Through the online application process, candidates or applicants can submit their applications for CG Police SI recruitment. CG Police has published a total of 975 notifications for SI vacancies on its official website. As a result, the applicant does not need to wait longer. You can apply for this opportunity starting on 10/1/2021 and don't have to wait until 31st 10 of 2021. You can click in the official website to view the detailed job advertisement. You can check full details of the CG Police SI recruitment, such as eligibility, requirement, number of vacancies, application form, selection criteria or selection method, everything in their official website also. All candidates are advised to keep checking that web page frequently for updated information, as you will get all the information from the website itself. CG exam pattern and syllabus for 2021. Now, there are some points that make up the CG Police Recruitment 2021 examination pattern. I'm going to discuss that. Please pay attention to it. A total of 100 marks are awarded for the CG examination. MCQs, that is the multiple choice questions, are objective. It will take 2 hours to complete the test. English and Hindi are the languages of the test. Exams for CG Police SIs are administered once in a year. CG Police SI candidates should be aware of the examination pattern before they are applying or before you are applying for the examination. So I hope I have given you enough details about this recruitment drive. I'm sure if you have the eligibility criteria, that is the physical requirements or the eligibility, whatever is required, then I'm sure you should apply for it, and definitely Oh, I'm sure if you apply, I think if you're an eligible one, you will also crack it. So wishing you all the very best for your career ahead. I'm sure you will be successful in your career. I'm sure you will be very benefited out of watching this video. So ending my video here, stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.